Most of us learned about money the hard way, by making mistakes. But what if we could give our kids a head start? What if they could grow up with a healthy relationship with money, understanding saving, spending, and even investing before they're adults? In this video, we'll explore practical, age-appropriate ways to teach kids about money. And stick around until the end, because I'll share the #1 money lesson most parents forget to teach: why it matters. Here's the truth. Schools rarely teach financial literacy. Yet money decisions shape our entire lives. Teaching kids about money isn't just about dollars, it's about discipline, patience, and responsibility. Think about it. A 5-year-old who learns that saving coins can buy a toy later could grow into a 25-year-old who saves for a house instead of drowning in debt. The habits we build young are often the habits that last a lifetime. Starting early, ages 3 to 7. Let's start with the little ones. Ages 3 to 7 is the perfect time to introduce basic money concepts. Here's how. First, explain what money is, that we use it to buy things, and it runs out if we spend it all. Second, use a piggy bank or a clear jar. When kids can see their coins adding up, saving becomes real. Third, play pretend shopping games. Give them play money, set up a little store, and let them make choices. And here's the most important lesson at this stage. You can buy everything. You have to choose. That simple idea is the foundation of financial decision-making. Building responsibility, ages 8-12. Between the ages of 8 and 12, kids are ready for more responsibility. This is when you can. Give allowance with purpose. Instead of just handing out money, connect it to chores or small responsibilities. Use the 3-jar system: 1 jar for saving, 1 for spending, and 1 for giving. This teaches balance. That money isn't only for ourselves. Introduce goal setting. For example, if your child wants a $40 toy, help them track how long it'll take to save from their allowance. When kids finally buy something with money they've saved themselves, the sense of pride is powerful. They learn patience, they learn self-control, and they learn the joy of reaching a goal. Teen years, ages 13 to 18. Now comes the critical stage, teenagers. They're eager for independence, and money becomes very real. Here's what works at this stage. Open a bank account and teach them how to use a debit card. Show them how to check their balance online. Teach basic budgeting. Divide money into categories like spending, saving, and investing. Encourage them to earn their own money through part-time jobs, babysitting, tutoring, or even small online hustles. And yes, introduce investing. Even a simple lesson about compound interest can spark a lifelong habit. Imagine this. If a teenager understands that saving and investing early could turn a few $100s into thousands later, they've learned one of life's most powerful financial truths. The lesson most parents miss. But here's the lesson most parents forget. Transparency. Kids don't just learn from what we say, they learn from what we do. So, let them see you budgeting. Talk about why you're saving for emergencies, or why you choose not to buy something. When money management is part of everyday family conversation, it becomes normal, and that's when lessons truly stick. So whether it's a piggy bank, an allowance, or teaching about investing, remember this: teaching kids about money is teaching them how to handle life. Start small, be consistent, and most importantly, make it fun. Thanks for listening. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more money wisdom, and share it with a parent who wants their kids to grow up financially confident. And here's a thought. What money lesson do you wish you had learned earlier?